going on, everybody? Russell here, aka Medic Magic. Whoa! And we have a very, very exciting day planned for you guys. Something really easy, possibly even a DIY that you guys can try and figure out, maybe make something. We have a bunch of cool stuff here. I just went and picked up this sick Thrustmaster steering wheel and pedal setup. Already had the seat, already had the TV and my Xbox. So we're gonna make a real quick, down dirty, easy drift simulator out of wood. And we got this sweet new drift car. So we're gonna mess around with that a little bit. Ben's gonna go drive his, what's it called? X-Max? He goes, let's go rip my X-Max. Let's go see what he's doing. As I enjoy a nice cold Monster and some pistachios.
You ready to come rip the X-Max?
I guess so. Man, it's cold out here. It was warmer earlier. Man, I was thinking about buying that van off you guys.
Man, you might not want to sit your drink there.
Oh, just rip it. Nice.
Channel.
Man, getting nuts.
You just see the tires. Oh, what are you taking that for?
Oh, I thought you said you want me to drive it.
Oh, no, I didn't say that. I said you want to get the other car.
Oh.
Try it.
Oh. I thought you said.
Yeah, don't wreck this. That. Easy, guy, easy. Easy, man. Guy, if that thing hits you, it will bust your leg.
I feel like that thing's meant for off-road and you just don't ever off-road it. Oh boy. Oh my god! Send it!
How did that even happen? Right here?
Just... There you go, that's what she's meant for. Just send it! My gosh. Oh god, you're getting cocky now. You're so close to landing it right on the wheels.
You just land on the wheels that time. Full assistance, please.
I think they call this thrashing. Pretty sure that's what this is called, thrashing. Oh my god!
Oh man.
What happened?
Oh jeez.
Did anything happen?
We sent it hard.
It looks like it's alright. No, she's fine. Just rip it like through the side of the hill.
We gotta stop doing that.
You're gonna trigger people with a $1,500 RC car. You're just sending. Oh my god! I didn't know you were doing that! I thought you were gonna go here to there. Oh my god!
She got jacked up, boys.
Oh fuck, is it alright? Oh, she's fine. Did it? Oh, it's fine. Dude, they build these
This
things
thing was like brand new.
Dude, what's wrong with it? There's nothing wrong with it.
I think we sent it a little too hard.
Here, let me try and send it.
No!
Why?
It's already, we're putting her back.
Whatever. All right, so after we just got done sending that, which I'm surprised that thing held up very, very well. We used to have T-Maxes back in the day that would break if you looked at them the wrong way. We need a little bit more drifting here, and we're gonna start working on this bitch.
So I mean, right now, we're mocking up how long to make our boards, where the pedals are gonna go, monitor. Now I'm just wondering, are we gonna have to install a 4-point harness in this?
I was honestly thinking that.
I mean, I might have something laying around that...
Hans device.
I mean...
We could take this full stupid. You put like
I got a helmet. We could make this all out of wood and then make like a cage out of metal. Just to trigger people.
Put in side braces so you don't fall out.
I mean, you don't want to fall out when you're drifting.
This is gonna be nuts.
Dang.
It's gonna be sweet. I feel like we're gonna waste a lot of time in this drift simulator. Or, yeah, it's a rally simulator.
It's not a waste of time if you're practicing in the off season.
Wait until I have a full fire suit on.
You're gonna have to, man. I mean, I got the tape measure, I got the pencil sticking out of my hat. I mean, this is
It's basically done. As we just do this and it's like, it's just done. What would Mr. D say?
Mr. D, he'd probably be out riding his Harley. That's what he'd be doing.
Damn. Or Miss Wells. Did you ever have Miss Wells? Did she ever your teacher?
I don't think so.
Damn. Wait till I tell her all about this video. Oh, I'll have to post it to her Facebook. Be like, Miss Wells, we're doing carpentry stuff.
Years in woodshop.
Yeah, you're 4 years in woodshop as a professional woodshopper student.
For one.
For this, for one drift project. Thank you, Miss Wells, for everything you taught me.
Always put your thumb like this. That way you don't chop it off.
Man.
Just another perfect cut.
Wait till that gets instant replayed.
Not bad.
Man, guys are triggered.
Oh, because you.
What do you want me to do? I don't know why you're so triggered, guy. Anyways, April 8th is the real first Club Loose Drift event, so we'll be there, rocking the S2000 and the Corvette. And possibly a new drift van for drifting, but a van for putting all our cool stuff in. So step one, I guess, we're making the bottom brace for this thing, and then we're gonna have these other 2x4s going to the platform where the wheel and the TV and the Xbox are gonna sit. So.
God bless America.
Damn. I don't think we need that. Oh man, smell that.
I don't know what that is.
Just smell it. It smells new. It smells fresh. Both of the pedals are.
Looks like an e-brake. Is that a shifter? I think that's where you mount the Hirsch shifter.
Oh, wheel.
Man, is this even gonna work? Why is that so tiny? Shifter?
Yeah, that's just gonna keep it goes underneath the lock it in.
Oh.
Instructions?
Shifter? You're gonna have to go pick those up later when you can't figure out how this works.
Right?
Probably after we're done with all these simulators. You got a powder coat real crazy. Easy guy.
Let's go. Oh, let's powder coat and put a full roll cage on it. And then they're $1,000 nobody buys it.
Triggered! Take a seat on that thing. Tell me what you think.
This is gonna be sweet. Clearly, Teddy goes, I was working on my car and I got frustrated, so I went and started pounding beers. So, I don't know, maybe we'll sober up by then. Up here building dreams. That's what we, the fantasies. Making fantasies come true. You got your safety glasses on?
Yeah.
Watch that finger. So it's almost done, getting there. Some fine tweaking, trying to get everything set up where you want it to go. This thing's gonna be tight. It's gonna be like getting in and out of an Indy car. But we need to make sure everything's nice and tight and good to go so that when you're going 100 miles an hour, you don't blow apart down the road. I can't wait to rig up a sweet e-brake.
How many guys are gonna come out of the woodwork on YouTube to tell you how you're doing everything wrong?
Doing everything wrong. Wait till I just stop making GTI content and S2000 content and just become a woodworker. GTI and S2000 for sale.
Man, you're sending those things. Seem pretty solid. Wow.
Now this was not sponsored by Tim the Toy Man Allen.
Wow. You sure that didn't go the whole way through in your leg?
It didn't. That one really got sent home quick.
That one probably didn't even do anything.
Yeah.
I don't know why the heads on those screws are so tiny.
See, this is where we could use Teddy, but he's just getting drunk. This thing is nuts.
She's looking mean, boys.
She looks like she's ready to freaking race. I'm telling you, this is gonna be a lot of fun.
This thing's all race.
All race, all the time.
What'd you do? You missed the...
That one didn't get sent home enough.
You missed. If you guys are interested in any patio furniture, hit us up in the DMs. Wow. Well, this camera's flashing. I gotta go get a drink out of the pop machine, so.
I guess you turn her off. Man.
She's tight. She's a tight cockpit in here.
Dude, this looks so nuts on camera. All right, guys, so the race simulator is all done. My battery's about to die, so I'm probably gonna wrap this video up. There's gonna be a lot of this coming on.
Man, this is nuts.
I think you're going the wrong way, guy. So. Anyways, maybe I'll film on my other camera a little bit more tonight. Not gonna be on this sweet camera setup though. 4.9.
Battery's flashing again.
Well, we're doing a little final tuning here on the Drift Miata. Trying to get everything ready to rock and roll for the Drift event. But I guess we'll see you guys next time. Since I don't know if there's gonna be another video after this one.
What do you mean?
All we're gonna be doing is spending our time doing this. So, yeah.
Get a coat of paint on this thing.
Oh, it's gonna look so good with a coat of paint. The usual, you know, give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, like and subscribe. Smash that subscribe button. Anyways, you gotta hit your hand on the thing. We'll see you guys later. Peace.